Hey guys, it's Desiree from DemaliHandcrafts here, and I wanted to share with you that tonight we will be having a Facebook Live at 9 p.m. On at Crafting with Demali, Demali, and we're going to be showing off some of the kits that we are presently offering classes for. So some of them you can purchase and online. So we have Prima doll kits, such as these beautiful tags right here. They're fun, they're whimsical. It comes with everything you see here. You need to provide your own adhesive, of course. And then we have some other cool folios. Check this little baby out. So this is like to hold your little steno pad. Then we have little mini album kits, and I mean these kits come out super cute. Debbie with 52C Core Craft, she includes all of this lovely paper. The paper choices might be different, so if you like them whimsical or you like neutral colors, we have a kit for you. This is what a kit might look like. It has everything including the base. Then we have these luscious. These are luscious. Look at this. Albums. So it's a mini scrapbook. And you look at this, how gorgeous. I mean, I skipped a couple of pages. We had a class over on City Island in the Bronx back in on March 7th, and I'm so sad that we've had to postpone some of them, and I really hope that everyone is staying safe during this crazy time. But look at how gorgeous this is. Of course, again, we have a couple of these, and those are being sold. And then last but not least, I have a really cool card class coming up. And these are some beautiful Stampin' Up! Cards made with the beautiful Poppies paper. It is gorgeous paper. It is their scrapbook line, and absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to be zooming our classes. Once you purchase your card kit, or whichever kit you would like, we host it on a different night, usually Fridays and Friday nights, you know, so that we could have an adult beverage, and then we kind of you know, have a great talk, chit chat, get to know each other in our crafty communities, share things that we like, and create something really beautiful. So please join us again at Crafting with Demali on Facebook Live, 9 o'clock tonight. Today is Friday, April 24th. You can like our Facebook page, which is Crafting with Demali. And of course, other DemaliHandcrafts. And I'm looking to see for the spelling. So join us tonight. Join us any other night when we have our crafty sales. We have great sales, and we ship them out to you. We use PayPal. You cover your shipping costs, and we mail it out to you. So have a great night, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.